Meta AI is going to launch in India in different phases. So there's a possibility that you log in and you see this error. But we can still create images using Meta AI chatbot inside Instagram. We can use the mobile app or the web app. So in this case, we'll be creating some images like these by using the Meta AI chatbot on the web application. Let's begin. Let's open Instagram on the choice of our browser. Let's enter. I'll go to my DMs. I'll click on create new message to Meta AI and start the chat. Create an image. I'll type \imagine, similar to what we do in Midjourney, and then space, enter the prompt that I want to do. So right now I would want to create an astronaut floating above a strawberry milkshake terrain. Let's see the results. Oh, this guy looks really happy. So now we have this image, but we can see there's a small watermark over here which says imagined with AI. So to download this image, I'll right click, save image as astronaut and save it here. And to remove the watermark, I'll go to this website called the watermark remover. I'll upload an image over here, astronaut. It's uploading the image. It's processing the image now. And you don't have to select where the watermark is placed or not. It detects automatically and removes the watermark for you. We can compare. So here we can see there was a watermark. Now it has been removed. And then we can download it from here. Do let me know in the comment section if this helped and what other topics do you need help with. I'll try to cover them in the upcoming videos, and make sure to share it with your friends, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.